Hi! Today we're going to learn about graphing systems of inequalities. Let's say we have to solve the system of inequalities using graphing. And the two inequalities are y is greater than -1 minus 2 over 3x, and y is less than or equal to 2 plus 1 over 3x. So let's first label this inequality as inequality 1 and this inequality as inequality 2. So in inequality 1, the y-intercept is equal to -1. In inequality 1, the slope is equal to -2 over 3. And because we know that y is greater than -1 minus 2 over 3x, it is a dashed line. Because this is greater than, not greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. It is just greater than. Now let's move on to inequality 2. In inequality 2, the intercept is equal to 2. And in inequality 2, the slope is 1/3. And in inequality 2, we have y is less than or equal to 2 plus 1/3 x. And since this is less than or equal to, the line that represents this inequality is solid, because it is less than or equal to. So let's graph these inequalities. So let's start with inequality 1. Y is greater than -1 minus 2 over 3x. So the y-intercept is -1, which is right here. And the slope is -2 over 3. So -2 over 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's draw this line. We know that it's dashed also. Now let's graph the second line. So the second line, the y-intercept is 2, which is right here. And the slope is 1/3. So plus 1 over 3. And we know that this line is solid. Now let's go back to the first line. We know that y is greater than -1 minus 2 over 3x. So we shade above this line. And we know, in inequality 2, y is less than or equal to 2 plus 1/3 x. So we shade below this line. So here, when we solve the system of inequalities, we get this cross-hatched portion. So, the answer to this question, which is solve the system of inequalities using graphing, is this portion here. Today we learned about graphing systems of inequalities. Thank you for watching this video.